Hello everyone and welcome to this mega course of Adobe Animate. In today's lecture we are going to learn that how we can create a character walking animation while he is talking. So let's get started. First of all, I am having this animations layer. I will go inside. I will have this background. Again I will go outside. I will extend this layer up to 10 seconds. This is because my voiceover is about 10 seconds. Then I will come here on the first frame. I will create another layer, rename it to voiceover, and then I will move into second frame. I will create a keyframe over here, and then I have already imported a voiceover in my library. I will just select this voiceover, drag it into the artboard. You can hear this voiceover.
You know, John, our village is in the territory of the castle. If anyone found in this matter from our village, it will be our end.
It is just a voiceover to explain you that how can you create your animations. I will go inside this. I will lock the layers. I will create another layer and I will rename it to character. Press enter. I will go into the walk cycle file. I have already created the walk cycle and I have already explained this walk cycle earlier in my lecture. You can go and watch that first. I'm going to select this walk cycle. I will press Ctrl plus C. I will move in this and just I will paste it. Ctrl plus Shift plus V. You can see my character has been my walk cycle animations. You can see this animation has already been done, has been pasted. I will use Shift button and I will just resize it according to the background like that. Like that. You can see this. Now what I am going to do is I will move inside this character. I will create a file, new file, and I am going to import my voiceover over here. First of all, what I have to do is to move first inside this his head, then his mouth. You can see different drawings are being made. I will convert it into a symbol pressing F8. I will go inside this and I will extend this to 10 seconds, and then I will come on the first frame, create another layer. I will rename it to voiceover. I will press enter. On second frame I'm going to import the voice. That's it. Then I'm pressing this keyframe and I'm using the automatic lip sync function. I've explained this very much in detail in my lip synchronization video. I'm going to use this lip syncing and I'm just pasting these drawings over here. Just like that, pressing the done button, and the lip synchronization function has captured the voices and already created these keyframes according to the drawings and voiceovers.
You know, John, our village is in the territory of the castle. If anyone found in this matter from our village, it will be our end.
You can see this. I think this is perfectly alright, or you can adjust this according to your voiceovers if you are not satisfied then. Now, the thing you want to understand right is how you can animate this. First of all, I have to extend this to 10 seconds. Now I will go outside. You can see this. The animation is already being done, but it is about 40 frames. It is for 1 second. I have to extend this to 10 seconds. First of all, I will paste my audio to this keyframe, to second keyframe. Now what I am going to do is, first of all, I am going to extend the audio layer to 10 seconds by pressing F5. Now I have to copy these whole layers and paste it according to the sequence. First of all, I will select these whole layers from here. I will press Alt button and then I will drag it from here and I will place it to this keyframe like that. You can see this. Let me stop this audio. You can see this. Now my animation is extended to 80th frames. Now what I am going to do is again copying. I will copy these frames. I have to observe that which was my frame. Yes, it is up to 40th frames. I will select this 40th frames again and I will press my Alt button and I will drag it to at this point. Again, I am going to select this, pressing Alt button, and I am dragging this to like that. I will keep on dragging this by pressing Alt key until my voiceover ends. Like that. I think just one more is required. Okay, I think this is fine now. You can see this, but there is a little problem in it. If you
You know,
play this,
John, our village is in the territory of the castle. If anyone found in this...
you can see this my animation has been created according to voiceover. The next thing I want to explain you can see the number of frames. The number of frames on his head is number 1, but when you go to the 100th frame or 96th or 97th frames, you will not find here 97. You will only find this number 1. Now what you have to do is you have to click randomly it on anywhere in these frames, between these frames, right click it, and you will find the option of lip synchronization that is not here. First, it is not visible. First of all, what you have to do is to select all frames. Control plus Alt plus A is the shortcut key. You will select these all frames, then you will right click it and you will synchronize these symbols. It means that where the keyframe is, it will capture the number of keyframe according to where it is inserted. Now you can see this 79 frame. We are having here 79 frame. There should be 69th frame, and there you can see there is 69 frames. Now this animation is perfectly right. Now what I have to do is to definitely extend it to 10 seconds like that by pressing F5. I will go outside now. My animation has been created over here like that.
You know, John, our village is in the territory of the castle.
Now what you have to do is to create a keyframe over here, pressing F6 and just dragging. Oh, I'm very sorry, this is the first layer. Do not have to put a keyframe over here. I will go inside this and I will insert a keyframe on character here. Now I will drag this character over here like that a little bit. I'm going to do that just to explain you the things. Now you can see our character is here, and now I'm going to create a classic tween over here like that. I think this is not suitable, and I am going to remove this keyframe by pressing Shift press F6, and I am going to place the keyframe on 10 seconds, F6, and then I'm going to drag it like that. Now I am going to create a classic tween over here. You can see the animations now. The character is walking and he is talking. Definitely I'm going outside. Now you can see the animations over here if I press Ctrl plus Enter.
You know, John, our village is in the territory of the castle. If anyone found in this matter from our village, it will be our end.
The basic purpose of this lecture is to just explain you how can you create your animations while your character is walking. How you can make your character talk, and I hope you have learned a lot from this lecture, and we will meet in our next lecture. Remember me in your prayers. Thank you so much and goodbye.